Alright friends, welcome back. Let's work on the search method. Okay. The search method searches a string for a specified value and returns the position of the match. Now search and index of are similar. Okay. These are the methods associated with, I'm repeating again, string primitive values. Okay. We are not talking about string objects. All right, so search or index of, okay, these are the two methods that are similar, and that's what I'm going to demonstrate, how search and index of are different. Okay, let's just write the program. Doc type HTML body, open up the paragraph tag and say id is equal to p1 and say please locate where locate occurs. Okay, same statement, but we're going to manipulate it with different methods, and we're going to identify how each is different from the other. So let's open up the button tag, button on click. So again, we're going to create a button which is similar to this one that you just did, but it's going to have it's going to do something else. It's going to execute my function, which is going to execute the method for the string. I'm trying to connect everything for you. Which string, which method? Search. All right, open up, close the button tag and open up the paragraph tag and say id is equal to demo, and close the paragraph tag. Open up the script tag and function, my function. Okay, and say var string is equal to var string is equal to document dot get element by id p1 dot inner html. Okay, var pos is equal to, that's position, string dot search. Okay, and what are you going to search? I'm going to search for locate. All right, I'll show you how it's different. And then document dot get element. Okay, L capital. These are the mistakes, these are the typos that I fixed when I pause the video recording for like a couple of seconds. Just try to make sure that there are no syntax errors. Okay, and the best way to do is, when I'm about to run the program, just pause your video and try to make sure that you have something similar on your screen. Okay, because we're not talking about HTML, we're talking about JavaScript. So dot get element by id, because JavaScript and HTML are very similar, almost, you could say they're like 99% similar. The only difference is of the script tag. As soon as you open up the script tag, there is a JavaScript, there's a combination of the JavaScript program and a combination of HTML syntax going on. So we close the curly bracket. Okay, I just yes, I was talking and I made a mistake here. HTML is equal to POS, definitely, because you want to get the position. And let's close the script tag. Let's close the body tag, and let's close the HTML tag. All right, so let's save the file and just hold. All right, looks good here. Let's try to save this as string methods 5. Okay, I hope you have a folder created where you're saving all of these files here just to reference them back when you are, revising or something. HTML save. Let's find string methods 5. Alright, please locate where locate occurs. Try it. Number 7. Okay, let me tell you one thing. Alright, both the answers for string method, okay, if I change this program, both the answers for index of and search is same. But the thing is, search is more powerful. Okay, the two methods, index of and search, are almost same. Okay, let me write this down. Index of and search will give you the same result, but they accept the same parameters. What's a parameter? Something that you write here. For example, here you were writing the parameter you gave here was locate, and in the index of you gave the same parameter locate. They will accept the same. These are the similarities. This is how they are similar. Okay, and they will retrieve same result. Okay, these are the similarities, but the two methods are different because search is much more powerful. Okay, and you can give it more arguments, more parameters. Okay, you can add a comma and you can tell that search this as well, search that as well, search this, and it's going to give you answers with commas. Okay, and you will learn more about powerful search values, okay, in some of the upcoming videos. But for now, I just wanted to introduce index of and search at the same time. All right, so another thing that you can do with another thing that we can do with the string that you pass on as an argument is to extract something from it. Okay, let's find out in the next example how to extract a character or how to extract some information and get something intelligent when you click the button. Okay, all right, there's this other thing that I want to discuss with you is the methods for extracting a part of string. Extracting a part of string. Okay, now there are three methods for that. Okay, three methods to extract part of strings, just like I mentioned, taking out a part of string. First method is called slice. Okay, second method is called substring, and third letter is called substr. Okay, substr. The slice method will take two arguments, start, end, and it will return two arguments, start, end, and the last one, the substr, will return start and length. Okay, so the slice method extracts a part of a string and returns the extracted part in a new string. Okay, it extracts a part of a string, okay, and returns the extracted part in a new string. All right, and the method takes two parameters. The starting index position. Start is the starting index position, okay, and then you have the end parameter, which is the ending index position. I just explained the index very clearly. Index begins with if you have a text, a line of text, okay, and it's called Zubia. How would the index be created? Index 0 is equal to Z, right? Index 1 is equal to U, okay, and yes, U. It's going to give back the same size. The caps or no caps, it's going to return the same way. Index 2 is equal to V, and index 3, that is, index is nothing but the position number. You need to remember that index and position is the same thing. Index 4 is equal to A. So Zubia, Zubia, my name has my name, okay, Zubia has total characters of 5, okay, but it's going to end like this, from 0 to 4 characters. So you need to remember that. And with that, I would like to begin the example. Let me just clear the screen here, okay. Remember, slice will extracts a part of a string and returns the extracted part in a new string, okay. I'll show you how that's done. So if you were supposed to provide it with the argument Zubia, it will extract. How will it extract? What will it extract? And where? And how will it, where will it publish it? Let me show it to you in this example. All right, in this example, the slice method is going to slice out a portion of a string from position 7 to position 13, or index 7 to index 13. Just type what I'm typing. Doc type HTML. Open up the HTML tag. Open up the body tag. Open up the paragraph tag and say the slice method extracts a part of a string, just like I explained, and returns the extracted parts in a new string. All right, so open up this paragraph and say id is equal to demo, okay, and close the paragraph tag. Open up the script tag and say var str string is equal to apple, banana, and kiwi, okay. Close the inverted commas and end of statement marker. Then go to the next line and say document dot get element by id. Okay, here L is capital, here again. This is how I run into errors. Get element by id demo dot inner html is equal to str string dot slice 7 comma 13. Okay, this is the start and the end parameter. Okay, the start and the end, and the argument for start and end is 7 comma 13. Close the script tag, close the body tag, and close the HTML tag. Perfect. Okay, let's save this file. I'm going to save this file as string method 6. And also I want to save it as HTML. Alright, and let's try to find this file. Yes. The slice method extracts a part of a string and returns the extracted part in a new string. So the argument provided was extract part 7 and 13. And if you want to go through all these parts, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, space 7, return this. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 is a space, which means return everything. Okay, and if you don't put 13, let's put 10 and see what happens. As I expected, ban. Only ban was returned. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 8, 9, 10. Everything before 10 was returned. Okay, everything, this is the 10th position. Everything before that and between the 7th and the 10th position, everything else was returned. Okay, what if this was 16? File, save, refresh, banana K. Comma is also returned. Okay, so this is called slicing. Okay, it would make more sense if you say in a new string. Okay, and the string provided is apple. Notice the quotes are not counted in the index as index numbers. Okay, apple, banana, kiwi. This is the string line. File, save. Oops, I think I just closed the file. Just hang on, let me open up. This is string 6. Yes, string 6. Alright, file. Oops, no, not this string. Just hold on. Alright, so let's save it as file, save as. Yes. Alright, and update it. The slice method extracts a part of a string and returns the extracted part in a new string. Apple, banana, kiwi is the string, the first string, that is the argument that was given. And you have to return something between position 7 and 16, right? 7 and 13, okay. 7 and 13, so it's going to bring back file, save, let me refresh. Okay, banana K, 530. Alright, so this is how you use the slice method. What was the next one? Let's work on the next example. Alright, what if the parameter provided is negative? Okay, what happens when it is negative? For example, you could do -12 and -6. What it's going to do is it's going to start counting from the back. From the end, one end. So it's going to count from the end of the string. Okay, let's save this file as it is. Okay, file, save as, and also save it as HTML. It's important to do that sometimes, because if you make a big change in HTML and Notepad, it just won't show, so which is why I explicitly save files again and again as HTML, even though it says it already exists. Go ahead and hit enter, and this is how it works. It's going to count from the back. Okay, just begin counting from the back these words: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, this is -12. -12 means count from the back. And -6 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Anything after 6, it's going to print banana, just like it did. Alright, with this I'm going to end my video. I think I've talked enough about slicing here. I have a couple of more examples that I want to share with you, which will, slice the string in a different way. So let's work on a few more examples in the next video, and then we're going to go back to other methods associated with the string. Okay, so let's continue the slice method in the next video. Take care.